Hey there, my name is Aaron, and I have food. And today we're making some simple nachos. Now there are a million different ways to make nachos, but this is my own personal way. And I hope you guys make it yourselves at home. First thing I'm going to do is make some homemade tortilla chips. And they're very easy to do. Go ahead and get some store-bought corn tortillas, white or yellow, doesn't matter. And cut them up into 4 pieces, like a pizza. Once you get a good amount cut up, lay them all out on a baking sheet and place in the oven for 250 degrees for about 15 minutes. The idea here is to take out some moisture and dry out the chips so when you go to fry them, it'll be more crunchy. As an added extra bonus, I'm going to show you how to make some guacamole. Again, very easy, and again there's also a million ways, but this is the simple, most tastiest way I know how to make it. First thing we're going to do is chop up a small Roma tomato, give it a good dicing, and as you've seen before, I like to use shallots, and I'm going to use that again here. You can use red onions, green onions, yellow onions, white onions, but I'm going with shallots. Of course, you want to get a large avocado. Make sure it's good and ripe, not too firm, not too soft. And you've seen this before, I'm sure. Take your knife, whack the seed, twist. Be careful not to cut yourself. Now we're going to scoop out the meat. Go ahead and dice up in nice cubes. Scoop that out into the bowl. Alternatively, you could just get a big spoon and scoop out everything all at once. I'm going to go ahead and mash this up with a fork. A potato masher could also work well here. Gonna add some salt and pepper as always. And then some lemon juice. Lemon juice is of course an acid. It's going to stop the avocados from browning. On a side note, if your avocado ever does brown, it's not spoiled, it's just the color of oxidation. What's also going to help with that is plastic wrap. Now this plastic wrap, I got one layer laid on top of the guacamole, press firmly, and then get one more layer, put it on top, and place in the fridge until you're ready to eat. You could put beans, sour cream, olives, onions, all kinds of ingredients for nachos, but I'm going with the simple taco meat this time. I'll go ahead and cook this down. Got a bunch of spices in there. Gonna cook until all the liquids just about disappear. Alright, once your tortilla chips are out of the oven, make sure they're good and dry. Now they're ready for frying. If there's anything you have to use, it has to be cheese. In here I have a mixture of Monterey Jack and Colby Jack. Just gonna shred that up. I have a small pot here filled with canola oil. Canola oil is a neutral oil, and it's way healthier for you than vegetable oil, let's say. I'm employing a candle thermometer here, trying to reach a good temperature. Now you couldn't see it here on camera, but I got it up to 350 degrees. This should heat up pretty fast, it's just a small amount in a small pot. And go ahead and throw in your diced tortillas, and give them a good frying. This should not take no more than 2 to 3 minutes, till they're golden brown. Use a slotted spoon like this one to move them around and to scoop them out. Let all the oil drain. Now for seasoning the chips, I have a mixture of kosher salt, paprika, garlic powder, and chili powder. And it's best to mix them up when they still have a little bit of oil on them after you've drained them a bit. We can sprinkle some on, mix it all together. Gives it a nice coating, a nice color. And of course, you could do another batch of just plain kosher salt if you want, like I'm doing here. From here, it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna lay out all of your chips onto a foil-lined baking sheet. Get your meat taco mixture. Sprinkle it all over the chips. Make sure you get good coverage. And then you're going to spread over your cheese. Nice even distribution. And put in your oven high heat. I put about 400 degrees. Trust me, it won't take long to melt that cheese. And if you want, you can even put it under the broiler for a few minutes. Just make sure it doesn't burn. And that'll definitely melt the cheese. Just make everything nice and munchy and crunchy. Now we're going to plate up here on a coincidentally football field looking towel. Then dollop on a good amount of your guacamole. To demonstrate the crunchiness of the tortilla chips, here's some ASMR. pretty much it. Nachos are very easy, very delicious, something fast you can make at home, and with that, the perfect party food is ready to be consumed. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. An easy recipe this week. As always, I welcome suggestions for future recipes on future videos. Like and subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.